If you're a content creator, interviewer, or somebody that's just always on the move and you need clean audio without the extra setup, this mic right here might be one of the easiest solutions I've seen in a minute. Let's talk about it. Today, we're talking about the Comica Revo S, and we're going to talk about exactly what it does, who it's for, is it worth your money? But first, let me say Comica did send this out for a review, and all my words on my own. Welcome to We Shoot Films, where I teach content creators and entrepreneurs how to build their brand and business through video and audio. Now, me, I've always loved Comica, and this isn't the first time they've sent me product for me to review. They're a big supporter of the channel, and I appreciate them, but I genuinely love their products, and I think they have some great quality products. This is a 14mm condenser mic capsule with a cardioid polar pattern at 48 kilohertz with 24-bit recording, and it also has one key denoise. So now let's talk about what's in the box. It comes with the microphone, the USB to USB-C cable, the manual, and a carrying pouch. This thing is designed like a reporter-style microphone, which I actually like and don't like at the same time, but we'll talk more about that later. Especially if you're doing interviews, though, this thing is very perfect for that. Interviews, street content, podcast, on the go. This makes you look official. It makes it simple and easy, and it is really something that just, can bring your production value up very fast, minimum setup, and very portable. You get a foam pop filter on top that can be removed, and you get the logo shield that you can place on it in case you could put your own sticker or your own branding on it so you look like a reporter, which me personally, I don't like, but I can see the use of it. If you got your own brand, you can place your logo on there or your YouTube channel on it. You can slap that right on this right here, slide it right in, and it just I'll show you in a little bit. Now, like I said, they have a pop filter here, and if I'm gentle, hold on. See, you can take it off, and this is what it sounds like while I'm here with this off. And as you hear, the microphone sounds good regardless. I would keep this on for your plosives anyway. And if you don't know what plosives are, that's pretty much when you say like P's or your B's, they tend to pop, you know what I mean? They're very harsh, and sometimes it helps the S sounds as well. This just helps smooth it all out. Me personally, I use my P's pretty hard sometimes, so I definitely need these. Now, if you keep this further away from you, you could probably not have the pop filter, but really there's no need not to have the pop filter on here, so I would say keep it on at all times. Now, where this is really dope is the connectivity, because it's so fast and easy, you know what I mean? Underneath right here, you get the USB-C dongle. So all you gotta do is plug this into your phone or Android, iPhone, even something like an Osmo Pocket, and you ready to go. No complicated setups, no interface, no extra gear. This is plug and play content creation, like fully. As soon as I plug this in, it's ready to go. I don't have to set nothing up. It's just ready, and that's what I love about it. And it sounds good. This mic runs on lithium battery, which already tells you it's gonna last longer than your typical cheap setup. And you're gonna get about 15 hours on this bad boy. That's definitely more than enough time for most of us to do what we need to do. Now, I just wanted to show you what it is, how it looks with me holding it. So this is what it looks like while you're holding it. So it don't look too bad at all. We've seen this before, it's nothing new, but just wanted to do it for the video. And now let's place this in there. Hold on. There you go. Simple, fast, and easy. You can put your branding here and all of that if you want to. I've already told you my feelings about it, but just wanted to let you see what it looks like. And right here, you have the 3 gain adjustment levels. On the bottom here, you have a USB-C where you can charge it. You have your button in the bottom also to power the unit. And as I said right here, you have your 3 gain level adjustment. And if you hold this, it turns green. And when it's green, you have your denoise on. This is what it sounds like at its most extreme for denoising on this unit. And another thing I love about this is when you're done, you can grab the receiver and just stick it right in the bottom here, and it's all in one. It holds it on real tight, so you don't gotta worry about losing it, but I still would keep an eye on it, but so far, I haven't lost it yet. Now, this mic is definitely perfect for like street interviews, vlogging, quick content creation, podcast clips, social media content, and what I like is that it's consistent. So whether you're talking into it or passing it to somebody else, else as an interview style. The audio stays clean. You can move around more because it's wireless. There's nothing in your way, and so it's just perfect. Now, the mic is coming in at around $79, and I'm going to be real with you. For what this does, that's a real steal. You know what I mean? You can't even front on that price for this. You're getting portability, ease of use, solid audio, long battery life, and branding capability if you want to. Who is this for? Definitely if you're a content creator, especially if you do mobile content creating where you're always on the move and you need to connect real fast, still look professional. If you do interviews, definitely this is for you. If you want something simple that just works, this is definitely, I'm telling you, this is going to be what you need. Even for podcasts, you know what I'm saying? Like a simple 2 people podcast, great microphone. The audio on this is clean, sounds good right out the box. I don't have to process it or over process it for it to sound good. It really is a great sounding microphone. What do I not like about this microphone? Not much. The only one thing I could say, if I had to be picky, it looks weird because it's just too long. I think if they made it a little shorter, it would just look better. But at the end of the day, it works. It does what it's supposed to do. It's at a great price point. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you're going to do some high-end studio production, you might want to find something else that's more advanced than this. But for everyday content creating, this right here, it gets the job done all day. So that's it, y'all. That's my thoughts on this. I love it. You know, I think it's great. I'm definitely think I would want to buy another one though, because I like having pairs for these microphones in case I want to use them for a quick podcast or something like that. So it's good to have at least 2 of these. Yeah, it's definitely worth the money. It sounds good as you hear. The quality of it is good. I don't have to denoise it. Really, I'm telling you, it's clean. It's clean audio right here. This is not processed. This is exactly what this sounds like. So if you think you're interested in purchasing this microphone, make sure that you'll check out the link in the description below. It's no extra cost to you. Just helps out the channel a little bit. Comica, again, appreciate you for supporting the channel. And other than that, subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.